Why, hello there, folks. Have you noticed the curious dance of the Japanese yen recently? It's been sliding down, then leaping back up like a fiddler's bow on a Saturday night. Today, we'll delve into this dramatic fluctuation and what the financial experts are saying about it. The Japanese yen, like any currency, is influenced by a myriad of factors, both domestic and international. Its recent roller coaster ride has caught the attention of financial analysts worldwide. A team of elite traders from XNES, who share their expertise with a global audience of over 1.5 million traders, have been keeping a close eye on the yen. One of their members, Dennis Okari, anticipates a strengthening of the Japanese yen against the US dollar. He projects a USD JPY rate of 135 by the end of this year. This prediction comes in the wake of geopolitical tensions, which are known to cause corrections in global stock indexes. Weaving the future of a currency is no small task. It's akin to predicting the weather in the middle of a hurricane. Yet, despite the storm of variables, these experts are confident in their outlook for the yen. As we look towards the future, it's important to remember that the financial market is a living, breathing entity. It reacts and adapts, much like we do. The recent fluctuations of the Japanese yen serve as a stark reminder of this fact. In conclusion, the Japanese yen has experienced dramatic fluctuations recently, catching the eye of financial enthusiasts and analysts alike. Expert predictions suggest a potential strengthening of the yen against the US dollar by the end of the year. These events and their potential implications remind us of the ever-evolving nature of the financial market. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious observer, keep watching this space. The dance of the yen is far from over, and the music of the market plays on. Until next time, folks.